my goodness, Anthony has a surprise for us, my friends. We're taking you on to a hot set. Yay! That means everyone please remain seated, holding on to your belongings. And holding on to your cell phones. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful this set is, right? Now if you look around you, you'll be able to see all the different areas of a filming location. Yeah, you have the director's chair, you have all of the hair and makeup chairs as well as all of the costumes. And then my favorite part of any set, that's Crafty Services. Yeah, Crafty is where you get all of your free food. And I am very food motivated, so that's where you'll find me when I'm filming. Now you'll see as you look around you, we're currently set in a center. And it's just passing, we're fine. Completely new paint job, completely new servicing. That design team did a fantastic job, yes! Oh my goodness, I love it! That's only, oh my, I can't believe it. So this attraction originally opened 35 years ago in 1989 and just reopened this spring for our 60th anniversary with a complete Hollywood makeover, updating all of the props and movie-making equipment, bringing the set into the 21st century. That is what you call a practical set, my friends. Yes!